What do you do, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're gonna be going over another traffic strategy that you can use literally starting today. So what I want you to do for this video, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. If you want more make money online videos using Clickbank or any other affiliate network, I will make those videos for you guys. So hit the like button and make sure you watch this video all the way through to the end, because if you miss any bit of this video, this method is not going to work. I guarantee you that if you miss any step or method in this video, this method is not going to work. So I've been using this method and I've made some quite of money with it. So I've been making some commissions, but I stopped using it because I'm trying to get into paid traffic. So what you want to do is copy what I'm going to show you in this video and implement it. So what is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is whereby you promote somebody's product or course or anything for a commission. So they will pay you 50%, and on Clickbank you can get up to 100% commissions for some products. So that's really amazing. So with affiliate marketing, if you want to make money quicker or fast, you need to go away from the rest of the competition. If people are promoting the highest converting weight loss offer, don't promote that. You need to promote another offer that is relatively new or that is starting to pick up momentum on the marketplace. That is simple. I'm going to show you how to do that. So we want to go to places whereby there are few affiliates or people who are promoting the same offer like we are, so that will make it easier to make sales, and people haven't seen the product before, so it will convert for you even better. So the affiliate networks you can use as share, Warrior Plus, Clickbank, JVZoo, MaxWeb, OfferVault, whatever network you are currently promoting. This method can work, but it will need some bit of work since it's free. So stay tuned for that. So we're going to find new products that are just recently been added or that are coming or are starting to pick up momentum on the marketplace. So how do we do that? It's simple. And make sure you hit the like button on this very video and subscribe, and ensure that you watch this video all the way through to the end so that this method can work for you as well. So we're going to find these products on two websites. We can find them on CB Engine, which is a Clickbank website that lists new products or highest performing products. I'm going to show you that in a second. Even Muncheye, that lists products that are launching into the marketplace, and these are basically JVZoo and Warrior Plus offers, and some on Clickbank. So we're going to be using these offers, and we're going to ensure that we are getting offers that have a low competition, because these are easier to sell. Even a newbie can sell this and make a commission in the first 24 to 48 hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a simple website. No, I know, don't run away from this video. People don't want to create a website, but you're going to use a free website. But free is not good for the long term, because your content can easily be deleted, and that can stop making you money in the long run. So if you want to check out the link in the description, I have a link to Bluehost. They can get you up and running in no time, and you can scale this method up and up. It will take you some time for your website to start ranking, but it's better in the long term because you control that website, and whatever content you get you can be published on this website. So on these free sites that host our content, they can delete our content, they can ban us, or you can get our account suspended. But when you have your own website, it's better. No one can suspend you, and you can feel free to write content at any time you want. So what you are going to do is we are going to write content, and we are going to use Google free traffic. So once you have written the first piece of content, repeat and scale up and scale up and continue for as many as pieces of article you can write. So how do we do this? Simple. We're going to go to CB Engine. So we're going to go to that website, and we're going to find new products that have been added recently. So we're going to click on CB new products, click on that. So I have been on this website today, so I've been researching some new products, and I wanted to record this video for you guys so that you can find something. So when you scroll through here, you can see that this has RR, so that means this product has a recurring payment somewhere in its funnel. So maybe the one-time offer or whatever it is. So we're going to look for products that are starting to gain momentum or that are picking up gravity. So you can scroll through all of these have 00. So we can see there's this offer, Alhemisia denture, dental, brain health, whatever that is. Then we can see that these are picking up, but I wouldn't recommend you promoting political related offers, so stay away from those. And you have this manifestation. Let's take a look. Manifestation is exploding with huge commissions. Oh, ooh, amazing. I want to promote that. Okay, so let's take a look at the sales page. As if I've seen this offer before. Let's see. Bluefarmers.com. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh. I was losing my memory focus on my man, and then I got it all back again. Oh yeah. So okay. So we have found some good offers. So this is for people who are struggling with brain issues or remembering stuff. Okay. So this can work. Then let's take a look at this manifestation. Finally, a formula that teaches instant manifestation techniques in no time, flat without any speed. Ooh, oh, this is a nice one. Flat without any expense. Oh, and they have a pop-up. Oh my gosh, jump on this one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna promote this manifestation one. I don't know what's the name. A matrix manifestation. Okay, so that's the name. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a free traffic source, and the traffic source is gonna be Google search. So for those of you who can't access Clickbank in your country, you can use Muncheye, and you can sign up for JVZoo or Warrior Plus. But what you need to know is that you're gonna have problems getting approved for some of these offers because these offers are promoted via email marketing, and people who have huge email lists. So if you want me to make a video about promoting JVZoo offers or Warrior Plus offers, leave a comment down below and I will do that. So you can literally go down here, and to find those new offers, I want you to start working from a week ahead. So today is the 27th. So you will want to find offers that are launching around the 4th to the 5th, or and try to apply for as many of these offers as possible. You will get approved for some and some you get denied, but that's okay. So what you do, just continue applying and get your link for these offers. Then I'm gonna show you where you're gonna write your article. So this is a video launch method, whatever that is. To get your links, I want to show you how to get your link. Oh, my computer is slow. Okay, request. Okay, let's click on that. Oh, so you have to contact the vendor personally. Okay, let me get another one. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, this one here. So okay, let's try. Oh, I know this guy. Okay, orange builder seems like a good. Oh, drag and drop page builder. Okay, it's a good one. I recommend you promote this because this guy has some good products. So recently I've been promoting his offers before. So to get your link, all you do is just click on get your affiliate link. It will take you to Warrior Plus. Contact the vendor via Skype or Facebook. Then you can reach out to him and ask him for a review copy. Then he will be more willing to send that to you. So if you're a new affiliate, you obviously be denied, but if you get approved for some offers, ensure that you promote those so that you can build up that credibility. So what you want to do is, once you've got your link, you want to go to a website called Blogger. So Blogger is going to be the traffic source we are going to use. So just Google for it, Blogger, it will pop up. It's going to be the first. So what we want to do is we're going to write articles based on the keywords that we are trying to rank for. So the keyword we want to rank for in this case could be this matrix manifestation review. So to write a review about it, you just create a blog. It's free. So what you need to do is ensure that you add some images, add the keyword in the title. So you can say metrics manifestation review, add that in the title, then you add it in the first paragraph somewhere in here. So you can say in this manifestation matrix review, comma, then you talk about what you're gonna explain. I'm gonna explain what is included, while blah 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 blah. You get the idea. So ensure that you write an article that's about 2,000 words, and that article will rank on Google. For Blogger, it will take about 5 days. I've really tested this, so I know what I'm saying. Add some images. Then when you add images, ensure that they are connected to what you're talking about. So you can get the images on the resource page of the affiliate, whatever they have. Then add those images, add alt text. To add alt text, click on the image. Click on this, what am I doing? Okay, click on the image. I don't know how to use this. Okay, so there should be a way to add alt text. So you can just click on the image. I mean, sorry. Okay, sorry guys. So my computer kind of had a problem. So you add the alt text to the image. Then what you do is that you ensure that this image has the keyword in the back end, so it can be like a matrix manifestation review. So if you want me to make a separate video about using Blogger and how you can rank consistently on keywords, leave a comment down below and I'll do that. So right now I want to make this video short as possible. So what we want to do is we add the keyword in the title, in the first paragraph, and a few times in the body. Make sure you don't keyword stuff like manifestation, matrix manifestation review. You don't want to do that. So you want to add it so that it fits in naturally. Naturally, if you keyword stuff, your article won't rank. So what you want to do is you add it towards even in the end. Then ensure you add your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, all you do is just Google the product matrix. I've searched for it even recently. Boom. So you Google for the, oh sorry, you search for the product in the marketplace, get the link by clicking promote, and it will generate your user ID already on Clickbank. And for those of you who are using Warrior Plus, you get your your link by just copying it and pasting it in the blog itself. So what you want to do is you will want to repeat this process for as many products as many as possible that are ranking from a week ahead. So if you give your article a week to rank on Google, it will make sure that you get onto that first page. And if you're the first person to write a review on any product, you always take up the first 5 positions in Google search, and that means you get a lot of traffic and people to your affiliate links. So what you want to do is take action on this method. Ensure that you leave a like on this video. If you have any questions, ask them in the description below. And if you want me to make a more detailed tutorial on how I rank on Blogger, leave a comment. Then I want to show you an example of a blog that is currently making me money. So is this keyword here, stop and forget about manifestation and numerology. So I I I am actively doing what I'm teaching you guys, not some random YouTuber coming around teaching you crappy methods that they don't even do. So you can see that you can even go and Google for it. It's ranking number 2. And I created a weird website, bad looking, but I can see I'm talking about the product and I'm giving people links to buy. So this has made me a couple of $100 in the past few weeks. So it took some time to rank. I don't know why, but maybe when I submitted the website to Google Analytics, then it started showing up and I started seeing some commissions. So what you want to do, if you want me to make a more detailed review or tutorial on how to use Blogger and how I ranked for this keyword, leave a comment in below, then I'll do that. So I hope this video was helpful and you got some value out of it. Leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and if you got amazing content from this video, that's good for you. Go out there and implement the strategies that I'm teaching you. They really do work, and I'm actively doing them I myself. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.